Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. So, I'm back with episode number 7 of 100% risk and relying on one source of income. Guys, I cannot emphasize enough as to how important it is for you to build up multiple sources of income. Honestly, and today's video is a must. Honestly, to know that what you need to do exactly to build multiple sources of income. So guys, if you want to really go into that path, I'm telling you, you do not have to miss this video at all. So why is it so important? Because today I'm going to talk about what exactly is the one thing you need to identify if you want to enhance your income sources. And that is that what do you find the key skill in you that you can use to add value to other people's lives. Guys, how do we actually make money? Have you ever thought of it? That why is a person able to make money? Why is not everybody able to make a lot of money? Some are able to make a little of it, some like normal, and few a lot actually. Why? Because the people who are making a lot of money and are falling into the 3% category of the richest people in the world are solving the biggest problems of the world. That is how they are able to make a lot of money. So how do they exactly make money? Do they charge crores of rupees from everybody they are adding value to? Not every one of them, right? What are they actually focusing on? They are focusing on taking little amount of money from a lot of people. And why are they able to take a little amount of money from a lot of people? Because they know that they are solving some real life problem, and if they are able to solve that problem and people purchase from them, eventually they would be able to make out a lot of money from a lot of people. So I'm getting to the crux of this video right away, and that is, in order to make a lot of money, you need to solve real life problems and add value to a lot of people's lives. That is how you make a lot of money. So guys, I want you to identify one way you believe you would be able to add value to at least a few people's life, which ultimately can be scaled on to another level next. But right now, I want you to think of a skill that you already have, which you believe you can utilize and you can monetize upon. Let me give you some examples for you to be able to believe it. For example, let's say you like running marathons and you believe that you are an athlete because you are too much into trainings and all. Now you want to monetize that skill of yours. So you might not identify it as a skill, but I do identify it as a skill. So I am telling you this example because you might not feel that I have any skill in myself, because we generally tend to demean ourselves more than find out our strengths, because people have been telling us about our weaknesses more than about our strengths. So somehow they get uh, deep beneath. It gets hidden in the layers below, and your confidence is too low to think of one skill that you can help people out with. But I am telling you, you would already be having something that you can utilize already to help out other people. And if you're still not able to come up with something, I'll come to it next. For now, I was taking an example of an athlete, the person who likes running marathons. Now, how can he monetize upon that particular skill? What that person can do is he can become a trainer. He can start his own YouTube channel, telling people as to how he has been able to run marathons and what needs to be done for that. What is the other thing he can do? He can become an affiliate for the products, the health supplements that he's taking. So are you looking at it that there are still multiple ways he can monetize upon his one strength that he's holding in him? If I tell you about myself, how I do it is, before I go to that, let me tell you, let's say you're not able to identify your skill, or you're not able to identify anything you can utilize to add value to people's life. You still have a way, and many people have done it via that way, that instead of identifying a skill they already have, they look out for the skill they would want to build. And once they identify the skill they would want to build, they work onto that and learn that skill and then help out people. What's the third way? There are multiple business models which are running such that you can leverage onto the already existing system and make money. I would come on to these systems in my upcoming videos, but for today I want to mainly focus on that the first step towards making a lot of money, as I said, that anybody who has become rich has done it this way, that the person, take anybody in this world, take the owner of McD. What did that person do? That person built up a system, a chain of McD restaurants, such that the chain is working on its own and the person is churning a lot of money. So is he adding value to the other person's life? Of course, yes, he is, because people like eating the burger, the McD burger. So that's how that person is adding value, and people are giving money because they like the product the other person is offering. So this is another key thing, that you cannot add value to the other person's life if you do not believe in the value of your own product or the service that you're offering. So yes, the product or the service should solve a problem for the other person and should be likable to the other person, so that the person purchases from you and you can add value to the person's life and he can in turn give you money and make you rich. That's how it goes. Now I was coming to myself. How do I do it? So by profession, I am an auditor, and how that could happen due to my professional background. I mean, due to my educational background, my degree. That's how I am doing it. What are the other things I thought? I sat down and I wrote down things as to what are the other things I can monetize upon. What are the skills in me? What do I like? It may not be a skill exactly, but what do I like doing and how I can take it ahead from there. So I like writing a lot, and a person who likes writing a lot, has endless ways he can make money. So I'm planning to write a blog in my coming months. Right now, how I'm working onto it is that I'm writing a book which would no doubt help me make a lot of more money. How would my blog help me? I'm creating a YouTube channel alongside, and how would my blog help me is that I would be able to publish my book over my blog. I would be able to publish my YouTube videos, and ultimately I can create another source of income completely online from there, which would become passive after a certain amount of time. Thirdly, I realized that I like helping people a lot and I like guiding them a lot. Hence, I decided to be a coach to people, and I decided to be into direct selling, so that because that business works onto this one principle that you need to help other people to grow yourself into the business. So it gives me the completely best platform for my own skills and my own passion and my own reason and purpose in this life. So are you able to get a gist of it as to how you can identify for your own self? You like cooking? That's a skill that can be monetized upon. You like gardening? Again. You like coding? Yes. I mean, you just have to sit down and write down things, whatever comes to your mind, which you feel is your strength, and you need to jot it down. And then in my upcoming videos, I'll tell you exactly how you can monetize onto that skill. So guys, this video really was very important because I wanted to explain to you as to how adding value to the other person's life is how you generate a lot of money. So guys, this was my message for today. I'll touch more upon these topics in my upcoming videos. Keep watching me, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet, and I'm really so excited to be coming up with more and more ideas. Just keep on following me, and I'm damn sure that you'll be able to generate more sources of income than what you are working on currently. So for now, I'll close this message. Take care, guys. Keep safe.